Hey guys, this is MDP Tech, and today we're gonna continue our part 4 of the build up for our setup, and we're gonna unbox and insert the G SKill Aegis RAM 3200 MHz and the Kingston A2000 500GB NVMe SSD, which is around 2000 read and 1800 write speed. So that's gonna be really fast thing to work on and to edit videos in. So here we go. Okay, here we go. We have our CPU installed, motherboard ready, and we should start with the unboxing of Aegis DDR4 memory. It says gaming, but you shouldn't even thinking about gaming if you talk about the RAM. But yeah, it should be quite simple to unbox them. Okay, we have some sort of G SKill Aegis booklet here. We have sticker G SKill. It looks kind of good. We have the RAM itself. It's very simple RAM. It doesn't even have no cooler, no nothing. Just a little bit of some sticker with inside the sticker there should be something. And I'm thinking, yeah, it should stick right there. Or to take out, no? Yeah, we should take it out and make it more easier for them to cool. Okay, here we have a line. We have a line here. Turn them around and just install. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, one's installed. Another one is waiting for installment. Bam. The same booklet with information, sticker, more stickers here. Hey, this one's more sticky than the last one. Oh, because I'm not taking it out normally. It's just something under there. Yeah. Bam. Nothing here. Nothing here. It should have been 2 8GB, and we have 2 8GB. One is 3000, other is 3200. Oh my god, they made a mistake. They made a mistake. Yeah, they made a mistake. And we install it right here. And we have them right here. Now, let's move on to the Kingston A2000 NVMe SSD. Here is the part where we should stick that in. Let's just take it out first. Nothing there, nothing else, just simple code. Oh, Aegis True Image HD software activation key for cloning, if we need cloning. But at the moment we don't, so we just put it in, and now I understand why we needed that. this one. Now I understand why we need M2 anchor. And here it tells you how to do it. Put the anchor and yeah, and then put it in. It's like for easier. Yes, first of all you take the anchor. Oh yeah, first of all, put the anchor inside of the hole, like this. Put the anchor there, put the NVMe, and then stick it right there. And that's it. That's your NVMe SSD installed. Okay. It looks like it's done. Okay, it looks like we're ready to go inside of the case now and start installing things like CPU and so on, PSU and so on, power supply unit, and you can find it on the part 5. So feel free to go into the part 5 where you can find everything. Okay, that was MTP Tech. If you like this video, please press like, comment, subscribe, and peace.